Is RMF going away? There. That's a good question. So the DoD or DOW, I don't whatever they're calling it these days. DoD is trying to get away from. They're trying to have a faster way of doing risk management framework. And for those of you who don't know, the risk management framework is GRC for the government. For the U.S. government, they use something called the NIST 800 and NIST CSF, but mainly the NIST risk management framework. And so it's a very slow process. It's very thorough. It's very granular, and it takes like 8 months to get through it, right? If you're lucky. And they're trying to. What the DoD CIO has done is she's trying to push towards something that's faster. So what they did was they came up with something called construct, the CSRM construct that they're promoting right now. So this is at the Department of War.gov site. This is a government site. They're already talking about it. Cybersecurity risk management construct. And they've kind of laid out what they want it to look like, but this is as far as they've gotten so far. So the way this department, how to put this, the way this administration runs is they'll just do things, and if they do things to see how it looks, and they'll just put it out there, and then they promote the shit out of it, whether it's good or bad. It's kind of reverse. It's more of how China does things. Is they just tell you how it's going to be, and then they do it, which is good or bad. I mean, I don't know. We'll see how this goes. That said, this is not out yet. Like, I'm working in the federal government. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. We're still on NIST 800, right? It's going to take, how many years it's going to take to switch to this? The US is gigantic. It's like whenever we make a major change, a change, right? It's like a battleship turning. It's going to take a while for that ship to turn. It's gigantic. It takes a while. Like, there's so many moving parts to it. You can come up with these kind of things all you want, but for all of us to get on in line with this is going to take at least a few years, because you got weapon systems that are already using NIST CSF. So, I mean, NIST risk management framework. So how it's just going to take a while to get on something else. And they don't have any details here. We don't have any details about how do we do security controls. Like, they haven't explained that. Is there a new book coming out? Like, is there a guidance that's going to take us through all of this? There's none of that. Or maybe they just put it here. Let me see. Let's see what we have here. They have a whole a pretty little diagram. Nice. Well, this looks nice. But where are my security controls? Are they still going to use the NIST 800? You know what I mean? So this is just concept of operation at this point. This is what they want to do. So I could see them moving to something else here real soon. I mean, there's a lot of talk about it, and I understand why. It makes sense to me to make something that's sleeker, more in tune with times, more automated, more like that's the direction we should definitely go. But it's going to take some time, and they're going to have to roll out something way more robust than this, because we're in the weeds doing all the security controls. So we need more information than this. You know what I mean? So what are we going to use? Is if we want to automate this process, what are we going to code our own stuff? Are we going to go with a certain vendor? What vendors are we going to use to do this? Those kinds of things, right? Are they going to open it up to all of us? And who's going to be the person who does that? There's a lot of questions here, but yes, eventually it looks like we're going in this direction, but there's nothing solid right now telling us how that's going to work in real time.